Located just a 3-minute walk from Beiping Food Street, Hotel E, TUNG offers a convenient stay in Taichung. With a 24-hour front desk and complimentary Wi-Fi throughout, guests can enjoy comfort and convenience. Each air-conditioned room features parquet flooring, a wardrobe, desk and a cable TV, along with an electric kettle and minibar. The attached bathroom includes a shower and free toiletries. The hotel provides a tour desk for sightseeing assistance as well as business centre facilities. Luggage storage and laundry services are available upon request. This non-smoking hotel is a short 10-minute drive from Fengjia Night Market and the National Museum of Natural Science. Taichung Railway Station is 15 minutes away, while Xinwuri High-Speed Railway Station and Taichung Airport are within a 25-minute drive. Complimentary parking is also available on site.